Hello, my little star. Welcome back. Sandman is always glad to see you. So you are here again for another story. Okay. Once you're comfortable in your bed and covered with a blanket, I tell you a tale of forgiveness and unity. You will learn that in the serene world of the moon, where light and shadow were always in harmony, there was a border between the light and dark sides, guarded by majestic beasts, the amazing lunar lions. This border was carefully monitored, ensuring peace and balance between the dark side, which was controlled by Mutabor, and the light side of the moon, where the Mompi lived. Now, on the dark side of the moon, deep in the depths of the lunar dungeons, there lived a lonely Numpi. She lived separately from the others, and therefore was unaware of the latest happy events that happened to the country of Numpi. Unaware of the defeat of the wicked wizard Mutabor, she remained far away from the joyful celebrations. But now, the noise of the fireworks aroused her curiosity, and she decided for the first time in a long time to leave her refuge. Like all Numpi, Lumina, as she was called, was afraid of the wicked wizard and did not want to be captured by Mutabor. However, curiosity turned out to be stronger. She came to the surface, and to her surprise, she discovered a world full of happiness and fun. With her eyes wide open and full of wonder, she looked at the charming houses among the beautiful gardens. The happy Nompi went about their business and were completely absorbed in their new freedom. Her eyes saw it, but confusion and anger grew in Lumina's heart, because no one thought to tell her about the newfound peace. Overwhelmed by bitterness, she devised a devious plan to sow discord between Moonpi and Numpi. Her actions were caused by resentment. Her heart was darkened by the shadow of loneliness. So her evil plan was to put the lunar lions to sleep with a powerful sleeping potion. She expected chaos to ensue in the grey border zone, since there would be no guards to maintain order for a long time. Pretending to be a lemonade seller, she gave a sleeping potion to the lunar lions. The majestic beast fell asleep instantly, without even having time to understand what was happening to them. Imagine Lumina's surprise when, instead of chaos and disorder, calm and order triumphed. Nothing bad happened. Monpi and Numpi, guided by kindness and common sense, continued to treat each other with respect and understanding. The lunar lion slept, but this did not lead to chaos, but rather contributed to the unity of the two people. While the inhabitants of the moon moved freely between the light side of the moon and the dark side of the moon, bonds of friendship flourished, transcending barriers of color and origin. The children laughed and played together, oblivious to the boundaries that once separated them. At first, this made Lumina very angry, but over time, anger turned to disappointment, and disappointment gave way to remorse. Realizing the error of her ways, Lumina admitted to what she had done and apologized to everyone. Of course, Moonpie and Noompie forgave her, but there was one condition. Lumina must make another potion and save the lunar lions from their long sleep, which, of course, is what she did. Lumina was very afraid that for this act the moon's inhabitants would imprison her in a tower, like Mutabor once did. Or, even worse, expel her from the moon forever. This would break her heart. But, to her surprise, forgiveness was unhindered, as the villagers held no grudges. Instead, they extended a hand of friendship and understanding to her. The story of Lumina served as a reason for reflection for the moon's inhabitants, and after some conversations, they decided to completely remove the border, turning their territory that once was separated into a vibrant center of joy and entertainment. Lunar amusement parks have appeared, inviting everyone to enjoy fun and laughter. As a token of gratitude for their faithful service, the Moonpie presented the lunar lions with a beautiful moon lantern. It was full of moonlight to help the lunar lions see in the dark galaxy and to be confident that the moonlight, no matter how far away they were, would help them find their way back to the moon. The lunar lions accepted this gift with great pride and gratitude, and, saying goodbye to their responsibilities, set off on new adventures across the vast expanses of the universe. So, there is harmony on the moon, a testament to the power of forgiveness, compassion, and unity. In a world where kindness reigns, where Moonpie and Noompie live as one happy family, where hearts are bound by eternal bonds of friendship and love, it doesn't matter what color your wings are. Now, my little star, after this story, I hope you have a good night's sleep. But there will be another story next time I tell you about Oliver and the spirit of the forest.